Hi, this is Senthil Manikandan from Aisha Home Healthcare. It is my pleasure that I am sharing this video to all about Aisha Home Healthcare. Aisha is providing various nursing care to the patients at their home. Aisha has its own objective and aim to provide the best nursing service to the patient at their home with 100% satisfaction by the patients. Aisha has its own record of 99% patient satisfied among home health care in various cities in India. Generally, Aisha provides nursing services for chronic care services, post-surgical care services, palliative care services, and elderly care services, for which Aisha has maintained the MOU with various multi-speciality hospitals in various cities in India. Aisha always differ with other home health care service providers in terms of service provided to the patients. We always stand for patients as well as stand for staff because both are very important to us so that we can provide very best service in terms of quality and reliability. We also have a record of patients recovery from the illness as well as chronic disease, etc. Aisha has its own recruitment policy to hire a staff for providing best service to patients, for which Aisha has mutual agreement with various paramedical institutions and nursing colleges in various cities in India. Aisha has its own training model to provide the best training session to the staff for handling various type of patients independently. Also, Aisha providing various training like attitude, behavioral, communications, etc. Aisha always check the staff background verification by third-party background verifications before sending a staff to the patient's home. Aisha staff will remain always neatness, grooming, punctuality, and best care for patients. Aisha maintain the MIS system in office for the entire function of the company. Aisha has many departments like HR, operations, accounts and admin to provide quality and reliability service to the patients. Finally, I conclude that Aisha team is always very proud since it is the best home healthcare company as well as most doctors referred in Chennai, Bangalore, Madurai, Coimbatore and etc. I thank everyone for watching my video and sincere request that you can refer us to your family, relatives, friends and others. Thank you.